Hello po, magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat. Sir, Isana, Sir Em, thank you so much po to my IM Worldwide family. Thank you so much for this vlog screening. And sorry po, naputol ko yung eksena, but thank you so much po, especially sir, thank you sa paglagay ng placement dito sa pelikula at sa huge support. And sana po, gustuhan niyo yung film, and then after watching, sana pag nagustuhan niyo, panoorin niyo po siya ulit and tulungan niyo po kami na spread the word po for our movie. So lahat naman po ng nakukuha ang achievements ngayon ng pelikula po namin is because of the grace of God. Si Lord lang naman po yung makakagawa. So maraming salamat po for this. And the Worldwide family, thank you so much po.
No, Alden.
Thank you po. Thank